I got something in the mail. Okay. It's called a survival knife. It's a credit card sized knife. Simple cutting tool. Whoops. Screensaver goes off. Oh well. I'll have to live with that. So here it is. It's unlocked by rotating this little plastic doohickey. That blade, I'm trying to do this one-handed, folds out like so. And then the rest of it it's got tabs on it. You fold that over. Got the blade folding up. The blade is made out of steel. It's not especially sharp. And then this plastic bit, you fold over and it snaps into the tabs. And gives you a handle. It's probably important to know if this knife can actually cut anything. So let's get the packing material and see if it cuts. Looks like. So the other question will be, how durable is this plastic since it's being folded and unfolded repetitively? So that's what it looks like. Hope I'm not shaking the camera too much. Anyway. It's, I'll have to do a follow-up on this if I remember, to see if it's a useful bit of kit for motorcycles. Because sometimes you want to carry, you know, first aid tools. If you're in a nasty spill, you might have to do some cutting. And always have duct tape with you. You'd be amazed at what you can do with duct tape. So this is the survival knife opened. Oh, and I apologize for the lack of light. And of course it goes right back into its safety state. This guy, can I do this rotation one finger? Barely. How do you like the screensaver? Okay, so essentially it is about the size of a credit card, which means it'll go into a wallet and it will probably give the TSA a headache. Anything that gives the TSA a headache is good in my book.